welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are having an amazing day. If you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. But as you can see from the description below, this is Walmart Beauty Box Day. So this is the Walmart Beauty Box for fall 2018. And you have two choices with the Walmart Beauty Box. You can get the classic, which they say is for like 35 and older, or you can get the Trendsetter, which they say is for 35 and younger. So I am 34, so I still qualify in age in the Trendsetter category. Now, even if I continue with Walmart, even when I'm 37, I'll still get Trendsetter because I just think I just like the products in the Trendsetter better. And for those of you that do not know, the Walmart Beauty Box is a seasonal box. It is $5 a season. The box itself is free. You're paying $5 for shipping. So it's $20 a year. You know, that to receive products, that you cannot beat that. And this actually feels kind of heavy. So I am super excited again to dive into the fall Walmart Beauty Box. Again, this is the Trendsetter, so let's go ahead and take a peek. I did notice the Nivea on the back, so I'm assuming there will be a Nivea product in here. And it's different a little bit from the normal boxes that have the lid, but I like this as well. So you open it, and as always, it says embrace your beauty. Same thing with the card, and it does tell you on the back how you could win a $100 gift card. So we see, we see the Nivea paper, and dun, dun, dun. Oh, okay. This looks like, you see, there's lots of goodies in here. So let's just get started. Okay, so the very first thing I see on top is a little sample of the Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid. It says deeply hydrates for 24 hours, brightens and smooths, and is hypoallergenic. So that is good. And obviously it says new. That is one thing I like about the Walmart Beauty Boxes, is a lot of the times you will receive products that are newer to the market. So that's always awesome. So yay. Oh, I'm excited about this. This is by Soe. This is My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch with Super Berry Complex. And it looks like you, I guess, wear it for 10 to 15 minutes. Smooth, moisturize, plumped lips. The restorative benefits of Soe Super Berry Complex soothe and plump lips with nourishing moisture and minimize fine lines and wrinkles for a soft, kissable pout. So I am so excited to have received that. And how cute is it? It's cute. So yay for a lip mask. And then we always have little papers. Here we have, again, a new product. This is the Nivea 48-Hour Soothing Moisture Body Lotion. So yay for that. Here we have by Labella. This is a smoothing shampoo with avocado oil. It says it softens and shines. And then we have a Max Hold styling gel with avocado oil, which lifts and defines. So that's good. I will actually probably put this into a giveaway. I do not use a hair gel. So, and with one of these being a hair gel, I'm not gonna tear it off. Just send you both of them. Whoever wins. So this will be in a future giveaway. But it's definitely neat to get and try. Let's see, what do we have here? This is by Freeman. This says hydrating cactus and cloudberry water gel mask. It's for all skin types. It instantly refreshes and brightens for nourished skin. It is a leave-on mask. Apply to clean face and neck, avoiding eyes and hairline. Leave on for optimal results. Or rinse off with warm water after 10 minutes. Use twice a week or as often as needed. So yay, it's not a sheet mask. I love sheet mask. You can never go wrong with a sheet mask, but I really do enjoy getting and using, like, what is it, gel mask, or mud mask, things like that. So yay, I'm excited for that. Then it looks like we got, love these, we got, I think it was like an 8-pack in the summer box, but it is the Kleenex wet wipe. Great to have in your purse. You guys know, most of you know, I have an 8-year-old son, so these come in handy often. I've already gone through that 8-pack, so I'm glad to have one to throw into my purse. Next we have the Hello Fluoride-Free Whitening Toothpaste with activated charcoal. It says with fresh mint and coconut oil. I am excited about this. I've been wanting to try this. So, love that it has a safety seal. And it's really on there. Oh, there we go. So, ooh, it smells really pepperminty. But what I wanted to show you guys, it is black. So, I mean, I hope it definitely does what it says and, you know, whitens and fresh breath and, you know, you brush your teeth and all that great stuff. But, sorry, Christopher's room is on the other side of this room, and apparently he's acted like a monkey in there. So, but I'm curious to see what it's going to look like when I'm brushing my teeth and everything is black. I think it'll be interesting. So, yay. I see charcoal again. Ooh. All-in-one Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal. It says great for oily skin. Removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. This is a charcoal cleansing micellar water. No need to rinse. Ooh, you guys, I'm excited for this. That is awesome. And we still have 2 more products in here. This box is packed. A cult classic. This is the Maybelline Great Lash Very Black Mascara. And I'm sorry, but if you know, I was born in 1984, and I know this mascara. I think most people do. Everyone has probably at one time or another worn it. It's just a great mascara. So, yay! And the final item is also from Maybelline. This is a Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. And it's a felt tip. So that is great. So awesome. So, I think this box was absolutely amazing. We got 3 little samples. We got the lotion, the eye cream, the shampoo, and styling gel. We got an eyeliner, a mascara, toothpaste, the micellar water from Biore, the Kleenex wet wipe, the face mask, and the lip mask. So, yay, Walmart. Yes, absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with this box. They seriously hit it out of the park this month, and I really, $5 all day, every day. Absolutely. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you get the Walmart Beauty Box, what you guys got. And I hope you all have a fabulous day. Again, if you are new, please hit subscribe and join our wonderful YouTube family. We would love to have you. Otherwise, I will talk with you guys at the next video. Bye.